Hey everyone, today I'm going to show you how to enlarge your Google Chrome screen for better viewing of websites. Without any further ado, let's get started. First, make sure you have your Google Chrome browser open on your computer. Once you're in Chrome, you'll be happy to know there are actually two simple methods you can use to zoom in and make everything on your screen bigger and easier to read. Let's start with the first method, which is the quickest way to adjust your zoom level. Simply hold down the control key on your keyboard. While keeping the control key pressed, use your mouse wheel to scroll up. As you scroll up, you'll notice the entire web page starts to enlarge, making text, images, and all other elements bigger and more comfortable to view. This method is particularly useful because it gives you instant control over the zoom level, and you can fine-tune it exactly to your preference. If you ever need to zoom back out, just hold Control and scroll down with your mouse wheel. Now let's move on to the second method, which gives you a bit more precision and control through Chrome's built-in menu. Direct your attention to the upper right corner of your Chrome window. You'll see three vertical dots stacked on top of each other. This is Chrome's main menu icon. Go ahead and click on these three dots to reveal a drop-down menu with various browser options and settings. Once the menu appears, look for the section labeled Zoom. You'll find it somewhere in the middle of the menu, and it's easy to spot because it displays the current zoom percentage, which is typically set to 100% by default. Next to the zoom percentage, you'll notice two buttons, a minus sign and a plus sign. To enlarge your screen, simply click on the plus sign. Each time you click it, Chrome will increase the zoom level by 25%, making the web page progressively larger. You can keep clicking the plus button until you reach a zoom level that's comfortable for your viewing needs. If you ever zoom in too much and want to go back, you can either click the minus sign to reduce the zoom, or click the reset button that appears between the plus and minus signs to return to 100%. And that's it! You've successfully learned two different ways to enlarge your Google Chrome screen for better website viewing. If this video helped you out, be sure to leave a like, subscribe, and I'll see you in the next one.